Hi, it's Riz from the Riz team.
And I'm Nicole from the Riz team.
Welcome to 909 Gravel Ridge Place on a quiet court and is filled with a lot of upgrades.
You're gonna love the attention to detail in this home. Let's go take a look. I'm sure you'll agree that this is a truly remarkable home which you must see in person.
To book your private tour for this or any one of our other homes, be sure to connect with the Riz team. And remember, don't put it on hold, call Riz to get it sold.